What's the meaning of bozo? Bozo. Bozo.
Bozo. Bozo. The term bozo is generally used as a derogatory slang to refer to a foolish or stupid person. It can also be used to describe someone who is clumsy or inept and lacks social grace. The origin of the word is uncertain, but it is believed to have emerged from the early 20th century circus culture. The term has since evolved to become a commonly used insult, and is often used in a humorous or sarcastic manner. While the use of bozo may be intended to be lighthearted or playful, it can also be hurtful and disrespectful to the person being referred to.